Hey everyone, this is Rakshita working at Inspire. Today I'm going to show you how to make an YouTube intro video or outro video using Canva. Now you can see the homepage of the Canva. Just search and type YouTube intro and you can get an of and select anyone and start editing it. We'll go to create a blank video landscape and we'll go to designs and select any one. You can apply all three pages. Just change the background color. You can add whichever the color is suitable. This looks good. We'll go to change all, so it changes in every page. And this is the first page, this is the second page, and this is the third page. Go to third page and start editing this. And we'll get this down. We'll play it from first. This is how it looks. We'll go to share and downloading the MP4 video format. And it's downloaded. This is how we get auto edits using Canva. This is Inspire. For more, like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.